So I just got the JD jet kit yesterday. I'm gonna put it in. Never really put one in before, but shouldn't be too bad to do. So it's not too bad to do. I just take off this hose here, and the carburetor just sort of spins forward. This is the float bowl nut. You can see it in there. So I've got the main jet out. It had a 440 in it, so I'm just going to change that to a 450. Back in there nice and tight. So my jets are in, 450 main and 32.5 idle. Just got to put this cap back on. And I can change the needle. It's the next step. So from this angle, you just sort of undo the two little M7 bolts on top of the carburetor, pull the needle out, it just pops out really. And you got to sort of pull this spring back and unscrew the needle, which is screwed in through the top here. It's a little bit tricky to show on camera. So I've got the needle out, just got to unscrew this. Pops the needle. So I'm just writing down basically what I'm putting in. So if I have to change something, I know what I've got in there, and I can make it suit. So that's the comparison between the two. So I'm on the blue one, I'm in position 3. I don't know if you'll see that on camera, but it's in position 3. And I'm not going to go for 3.5 or 2.5. So I'm just going to put this on top, screw this back on. You can see the new JD needles installed in the slide here. Sort of got that back, had to work it around, put your arms around both sides of the bike, and that slides back into there. Put this cap back on, the two bolts, and then that's the job pretty much done. Just gonna nip these back up, put the fuel hose back on, and then we can start it and see if it runs alright. Nip these up, and that's it. So the kit's in, fuel taps on. Obviously it's got to be its first start. I put the choke on. Actually it started very fast. Fuel out of here.